You ever see a tool so smart, it makes you want to rebuild your whole workshop? Welcome to Next Tool X, where we bring you the coolest, smartest, and most mind-blowing gadgets out there. Today, we're diving into some insane woodworking tools you've got to see to believe. Hit subscribe and find all the buy links in the description. Let's jump in. Ever tried cutting thin wood strips and ended up wasting half your board? This thin Rip Jig fixes that instantly. It locks into your table saw, gives laser-sharp 1/32 inch precision, and keeps your hands safe from the blade. Made from CNC machined aluminum, it's rock-solid, smooth, and tool-free, adjustable in seconds. Once you try it, you'll never cut wood the same way again. Setting the perfect blade angle by eye? That's rookie stuff. This Huepar digital angle finder gives you laser-level precision, accurate to plus or minus 0.1 degrees, even in freezing or blazing heat. It magnetically snaps onto your saw, reads instantly on a bright LCD, and nails every cut like a pro. Ever tried joining two wood pieces and they just don't fit right? This General Tools Dovetail Jig fixes that forever. It lets you cut perfect dovetail joints that lock like puzzle pieces, tight, clean, and professional. Made from solid aluminum with micro-adjust knobs, it's built for precision. Beginners or pros, once you use it, you'll never eyeball a joint again. This isn't your average saw. This thing's a monster. The Undercut Jam Saw packs a 2.5 horsepower motor that slices through wood, tile, and even concrete like butter. It's got 2 alloy blades and a diamond blade, plus a height adjust system that keeps every cut perfectly level. Need clean edges against walls or floors? This beast does it flawlessly. Built tough, built precise. This saw means business. You ever tried drilling into concrete and your regular drill just gives up? That's where the NEIKO cordless rotary hammer flexes hard. It smashes through concrete, metal, or wood with a brutal 4,500 beats per minute impact rate. 4 modes: drill, hammer, chisel, and combo. All cordless, all power. Built tough, brushless, and unstoppable. This thing means business. Tired of your wood panels warping or joints never lining up right? These Rockler Mini Deluxe panel clamps fix that instantly. They apply 4-way pressure, pulling every joint tight and keeping panels perfectly flat. Built from heavy steel, compact, and crazy precise, they turn small woodworking projects into pro-level builds. Tired of your shop vac choking on dust every 5 minutes? Meet the Dustopper. It traps 99.9% of dust before it even hits your vacuum. No clogged filters, no power loss, just clean, powerful suction every time. It even works with wood chips, water, or pet hair. This thing's a total workshop lifesaver. Cutting wood with a shaky old jigsaw? Forget it. This cordless, brushless jigsaw is a total game changer. It's got a brushless copper motor for smooth, powerful cuts. No heat, no burnout. Switch between 3-speed modes and 4-stroke levels for perfect control. It even blows sawdust away while cutting, so your line stays crystal clear. Straight or 45-degree angles. This thing cuts clean, fast, and pro every time. You line up your dowel holes, drill them, and they still don't match? Meet the Milescraft Joint Master, the self-clamping jig that auto-aligns and drills perfect dowel holes every time. Built from solid aluminum with steel bushings, it's rock-solid, precise, and fast. Edge, corner, or surface joints, this thing nails them all. Once you use it, you'll never guess your holes again. You ever grab a cheap drill and it dies halfway through the job? That's why pros are switching to the Litheli 20-volt cordless drill. It's got serious torque, 18+1 precision settings, and a metal keyless chuck for instant bit swaps. Fast charges in just 1 hour, and powers through wood, metal, or plastic like butter. Small size, big punch. This thing feels premium the moment you pull the trigger. Ever tried cutting mortises by hand and ended up with a wobbly mess? That's where the Kreg MortiseMate changes the game. It drills perfect, clean mortises using just a regular drill. Auto-indexing, laser-marked, and dead precise. Every joint locks like a dream. Strong, simple, and stupid accurate. This jig makes pro joinery effortless. One saw that replaces 8? Yeah, this thing's wild. The 8-in-1 multi-blade hand saw swaps blades in seconds. Wood, metal, drywall, plastic, it cuts everything. Built with high-speed steel blades and a lockback grip, it's compact, tough, and crazy versatile. From home repairs to pro jobs, this little beast does it all. Fast, clean, and smooth. You ever try holding 2 boards at a perfect 90 degrees and they just slip? That's where these corner clamps save your sanity. They auto-align, self-adjust, and lock your wood dead square every single time. Made from solid aluminum alloy, they're tough, rust-proof, and stupid precise. Frame, drawer, or cabinet. These clamps make every corner flawless. Lifting glass or tiles by hand? Forget it. The SEESII electric suction cup does it all for you, pulling up to 440 pounds with pure vacuum power. It grips in 3 seconds, auto-adjusts pressure, and shows it all on an LED display. Use it on glass, stone, or metal. It sticks like magic. With dual safety buttons and 2 21-volt batteries, this beast turns heavy lifting into one-hand control. Cutting tiny wood or metal pieces with a full-size saw? Total pain. The HAUTMEC Mini Hacksaw with miter box is built for precision. It cuts perfect 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees angles. Clean, smooth, and fast. The bimetal blade slices through wood, metal, and plastic like butter. Compact, lightweight, and super accurate. This little saw punches way above its size. Ever tried removing old flooring stuck under cabinets? Total nightmare, right? This toe kick saw changes the game. It cuts flush against walls or cabinets with insane precision. Comes with alloy blades for wood and a diamond blade for tile, turning impossible cuts into clean, perfect lines. Laying big tiles alone? This tool makes it stupid easy. The SEESII Cordless Tile Vibration Tool locks onto tiles with 130 pounds of suction, holds them firm, and levels them perfectly. It's got 5 adjustable speeds, a digital display, and runs 4 to 6 hours on 2 22-volt batteries. No wires, no stress, just flawless, one-hand tile work every time. Once you try it, you'll never lay tiles the old way again. And that's a wrap, folks. If those tools blew your mind, wait till you see what's coming next. This is Next Tool X, your spot for the coolest gadgets on the planet. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and grab your favorites from the links in the description. See you in the next one.